has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Brewster County in southwestern Texas, southwestern Terrell County in southwestern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Time. At 5:34 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles southeast of Marathon, Oregon, 38 miles southeast of Alpine, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Persimmon Gap. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.